Welcome to Plan Watch Walk, the home of great walking and open honest equipment reviews. Today we've got the fly through, and here in front of us now we can see the route, which is a circular route. We're going to be starting from the Northumberland National Park, and this now commences the fly through. So we start at Hartside Farm and continuing along the valley, passing Moor Farm, and we continue along the path with some great views before we start to ascend Shill Moor. You can see ahead of us here, and heading over the top of Shill Moor and down the other side we pick up the Salters Path, which is a very pleasant and tranquil walk before walking along the side of the River Beamish. We then have a short ascent once again to High Cantle, and then head over the moors, and you get some great panoramic views when you're heading over the moors here. Passing Rig Cairn, we have Ritto Hill just on our right here, and then we drop down to Linhope Spout, and then we have a very pleasant walk back along to the start of our journey after a great day on the fells.